Hello everyone, hope you all are fine and doing well. In today's video, we are going to draw with the letter J. We are going to draw an umbrella with the letter J. Yes, you heard it right. We are going to draw an umbrella. First, you are going to write a big J. After writing a big J, we are going to extend a J with a line. Then we are going to make it a half circle. After making it a half circle, we are going to draw a baseline on the bottom of J to double the line. It will give you the handle of an umbrella. Draw some buttons on your handle. It will give your umbrella a sleek and neat look. Draw a string on your umbrella. You can draw a single or a double string. I am going to draw a single string. Our umbrella is almost ready. Umbrella is used to cover yourself in rain, in hot weather also. Nowadays there is a heat wave. Umbrella is a useful tool nowadays. And with this simple hack, you can draw an umbrella very easily by writing only a letter J. Our umbrella is completely ready. Let's color it. You can color it with your favorite colors. I'm going to color it with different colors. Like I'm going to color handle and orange and the other part with yellow, a light yellow. You can color it with your choice color. You can make patterns on it. You can draw lines. You can draw flowers. You can do everything with your umbrella. I love my umbrella a simple way. So I'm going to keep it neat, clean and simple. So just color it with your favorite color. Umbrella is ready. Umbrella is very useful tool in rainy days and in hot days also. Hope you enjoyed the video. Keep supporting, keep watching and giving some effect with another color. A blue color. My umbrella is ready. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.